What's up guys, welcome to my website. In this video we are going to talk about the autonomous emergency braking or AEB or smart cruise control, more universally called adaptive cruise control or ACC. This AEB ACC system utilizes a radar that's mounted in front of the grille, front of the vehicle, sometimes in the grille, behind the emblem. And if you live somewhere where it snows, you might have experienced this. So I'm cruising down on the highway with my wife and it's barely 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And I see this warning on my dashboard. What this says is the AEB or the autonomous emergency braking has been disabled. It also disables the smart cruise at the same time. And if I look outside at the road conditions, it's not that bad. It's barely snowing and the roads are clean. After reaching home, I checked the radar and I saw that there was some sleet accumulated on the radar. It wasn't much, just enough to get rid of with a gentle wipe. Now this happens to the windshield too, but for that you have washer fluid. And so, voila! So I designed this patent-pending solution that can be installed with your bare hands in just minutes. And now you can pre-order it. Let's check this out. Every time I activate my windshield washer, it activates the radar washer too, and it washes away any accumulated sleet before it gets too much. Order yours now. Be safe. Peace.